My video guide today will help you to remove the misleading notifications and intrusive ads associated with the site Iasninanc.work. Iasninanc.work. The name of this website definitely doesn't make any sense at all. The website, however, is extremely malicious. It tries to make people click on the special Allow button integrated into it. It says that they need to tap the Allow button to continue their browsing. Sometimes it says that this is to prove that the person is not a robot or for some other reasons. But to interact with this website, Iasninanc.work, is extremely dangerous. If people do that, if they click on Allow, they may be forwarded to some other questionable sites that may hijack some browser settings, and sometimes they may cause unwanted browser redirections to random pages. And also, if the Allow button was clicked by mistake, visitors may be facing a lot of intrusive advertisements that will be shown in the right bottom section of the computer screen. To get rid of these ads, you should definitely implement some browser fixes. So go to the menu, Settings, choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings, then in the Permissions area, click on Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Delete any malicious sites from this list. And you can clearly see that after we deleted that malicious site from this list, its intrusive ads also disappeared, which is very good. So this is the manual way to actually fix your browser absolutely for free. But I also recommend that you additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download the software, use this green download button to download Combo Cleaner, install the application, and begin researching your system to detect and delete other possibly hidden threats from your computer. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called Anti-Ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.